7 Secrets to Save Money on a Low-Income Budget. Saving money is not always easy, especially when you're on a low income. However, it is entirely possible to save money even when you're not making a lot of money. In this video, we will explore 7 practical ways to save money on low income. Whether you rent or own your home, avoid debt at all costs, limit entertainment costs, understand your wants versus needs, invest in yourself, and save money automatically are all tips that can help you save money. If you're interested in learning more, keep watching. Welcome to Joseph Leppert Finance, the channel where you can learn all about personal finance, investing, and wealth building. Do you want to learn how to make your money work for you? Then you're in the right place. I've spent years studying finance and I'm here to share everything I've learned with you. So, if you're new to this channel, please click the subscribe button for more types of videos like these and ring the notification bell so you won't miss one. Let's get right into the video. Tip number 1. Lower your housing costs. Your housing costs are likely your most significant expense every month, whether you rent or own your home. Many financial experts suggest that your rent or mortgage payments plus bills should be no more than 35% of your monthly after-tax income. Although this expense can eat up a large portion of your monthly income, it also provides the most significant opportunity to find cost reductions. For renters, there are numerous ways to reduce housing costs. The first is to find a cheaper place. Perhaps a single room in someone else's house would be sufficient for your needs. If you don't want to move, try negotiating with your landlord. For example, you can exchange your services like doing renovations for a rent reduction or agreeing to sign a longer lease if the tenant security is what your landlord wants. If you're a homeowner, the best way to offset your housing costs is to rent out a room. Renting out a room in your home can easily net you a few extra $100 a month, which can help cover your bills and allow you to save money while earning a low income. Tip number 2. Avoid debt. If you want to save money while making an income smaller than you'd like, you must avoid debt at all costs. Debt deters you from saving in 2 ways. First, having debt means monthly repayments. Every month, creditors will be knocking at your door for money, which, if that debt was avoided, would mean more money in your pocket at month's end. Secondly, debt is almost always associated with monthly interest charges. For lines of credit, these rates are typically around 5%, which means that on a $10,000 balance, you could easily be handling over $100 a month. Although it seems like a small amount of money, when compounded monthly, it can begin to add up. When you total the value of all your repayments and their associated interest charges, you can start to see how carrying debt can make saving on a low income a challenge. This issue is only further exacerbated when it comes to credit card debt. As of 2022, the Federal Reserve reports that the average interest rate on credit card is 20.4%, meaning that getting into debt is an expensive ordeal. If you're carrying the average credit card balance per US adult of $6,000, which at the rate means you're paying over $1,000 in interest charges to credit card companies, you need to avoid debt and their associated interest charges at all costs if you want to save money on a low income. Tip number 3. Limit entertainment costs. We all want to have fun, but unfortunately, for many people, this comes at a hefty cost. Eating out, hitting the bar after work, going to the movie theater, and other entertainment purchases can make you a huge dent in your budget. But luckily, it doesn't have to. Many people pay a lot of monthly subscriptions to streaming services, cable services, and other digital entertainment services. It's really easy for these entertainment costs to grow quickly. So before signing up for more monthly subscriptions, either cancel the subscriptions you already have, find alternative entertainment options that are free, like game night with friends, going to a picnic, or exploring local parks and attractions. By finding low-cost or free alternatives to expensive entertainment, you can still have fun without breaking the bank. But before we move on, please comment below if you can relate to the video. And if you find this video helpful and interesting, please consider liking the video and share it to your loved ones and friends. Back to the video. Tip number 4. Understand your wants versus needs. To save money on a low income, it's crucial to be able to differentiate between your wants and your needs. Needs are essential items required for survival, such as food, clothing, shelter, and transportation. Wants, on the other hand, are non-essential items that you may desire but don't necessarily need. When you're on a tight budget, it's essential to prioritize your spending and only spend money on your core expenses. This means avoiding unnecessary purchases and focusing on meeting your basic needs. By distinguishing between your wants and your needs, you can avoid overspending and save money in the long run. Tip number 5. Meal planning and cooking at home. Food is one of the most significant expenses for many households, and it's an area where you can save a lot of money by planning your meal and cooking at home. Eating out, ordering takeout, or buying pre-made meals can quickly add up and put a strain on your budget. By planning your meals in advance and cooking at home, you can save money on groceries and avoid the temptation to eat out. Look for low-cost recipes and try to buy ingredients in bulk to save money even more. Meal planning can take some time to get used to, but it's a great way to save money and eat healthier. Tip number 6. Use coupons and discounts. Coupons and discounts are an excellent way to save money on everyday expenses. Look for coupons in newspapers, magazines, and online, and take advantage of discount offered by stores and restaurants. You can also sign up for loyalty programs and reward programs to earn points and save money on future purchases. When shopping online, always look for promo codes and discounts before making a purchase. Many retailers offer discounts for first-time customers or provide free shipping on orders over a certain amount. By taking advantage of these deals, you can save money on your purchases and stretch your budget even further. Tip number 7. Find additional sources of income. If you're struggling to save money on a low income, finding additional sources of income can help. This could mean taking on side hustles, starting a small business, or freelancing in your spare time. With the rise of the gig economy, there are many opportunities to earn extra money online or in your local community. If you have a particular skill or talent, consider offering your services on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. You could also sell items you no longer need on platforms like eBay or Craigslist. By finding additional sources of income, you can increase your earning potential to save more money each month. In conclusion, saving money on low income is challenging, but it's not impossible. By lowering your housing costs, avoiding debt, limiting entertainment costs, understanding your wants versus needs, meal planning and cooking at home, using coupons and discounts, and finding additional sources of income, you can save money and improve your financial situation. Remember that every dollar counts, and even small changes can add up to significant savings over time. Thank you for watching Joseph Leopard Finance, your go-to channel for all things personal finance, investing, and wealth building. I hope you found value in today's video and that it inspires you to take action toward your financial goals. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like these. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Join our community by leaving a comment below and let us know what financial topics you'd like us to cover next. Remember, financial freedom is possible for anyone, and we're here to help and make it happen. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.